Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you want to see someone's old story on Instagram, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to see someone's old story on Instagram. In this video I am going to show you how to do this. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. You have to open profile for which you want to see old stories. For example, I am going to open this profile. Here you can see the story highlights. You can see these stories by clicking on it. You can see this story is posted 21 weeks ago. This is the easy and simple way to see someone's old story on Instagram. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.